So today I am gonna prepare another smoothie recipe that is good for your brain health and mental wellness using this cucumber, lemon, kiwi, ginger and dates. This is for those who are allergic to nuts. So in this one there will be no nuts but just this. So let's get right into it. I hope you enjoy it. So I'm gonna prepare these, peel off these kiwi and the seed, the date, wash this one, and this I'm gonna put including the back, because they are all medicinal. And yeah, I'm gonna use this and half of this. Kiwi is very high in serotonin. Serotonin is a plant natural chemical messenger or neurotransmitter that helps regulate many bodily functions. It has roles in sleep and memory as well as metabolism and emotional well-being. This is why it is said to help in regulating appetite and mood disorder, including depression, which are all signs of mental disorder. It is kiwi's addition to this smoothie recipe. I'm using more than half. With cucumber, I will just say crunch your way to great mental wellness and keep depression away. This is because the B vitamins contained in cucumber are very good for anxiety and stress management. Date is not just good for its energy content because it's natural sugar, but it also decreases blood fat and oxidation stress. So if you are in any way feeling depression or want to alleviate your mood, date is a way to go. It's good for adults, it's good for kids, it's good for everyone, and the seed also is useful. Ginger contains loads of powerful medical potencies. Amongst many of them are vitamin B6, which helps to enhance brain function, and potassium, which helps in lowering blood pressure and heart diseases, which is part of our major concentration in this smoothie recipe. Then finally, we are adding our lemon, which is a very powerful source of vitamin C for immune system and skin health. This is just to give it a tangy taste. Just use this portion. Then I put this portion. Water. If you haven't seen the previous video of the superfood green smoothie that is not only good for your mental health but also good for detoxing and immune system, click the card above to access the video. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and like my video, share and comment. I would like to know how you feel after drinking this smoothie. What other smoothies do you want me to show you how to make apart from these other series? Let me know in the comment section. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.